Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, Vatican-Style Linguine Special Edition. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. The linguine doing its thing in the hot tub. Starting to saute some onion. I add the garlic and the chili flakes. Then I add the red bell pepper. Then the butternut squash. The baby spinach. And some parsley. And the linguine is ready. All the goodies on top of the linguine. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.